What's up, vlog? So we're going to Mexico. Ooh, it's muddy. Hey, look at us, we ride.
We're sit back here with us.
No, mom and dad always sit there. Hey. So yeah, it's 6 in the morning. We just got picked up from the limo, but we haven't left yet. And we're on the way to the airport. Danny. We just got to the airport. What you did?
Dad, can we get food?
I taped some marijuana to my nutsack.
What? That's not what he did.
You need to did you hear him in the background saying, you know what, so did I.
I did.
He said he did too.
I forgot I even had a sunscreen in this bag.
Oh.
Wait, you have sunscreen in there?
I thought he was saying he taped it. No, but he put sunscreen that's over 3 ounces in his carry-on, so we're all waiting. My little sister put dry shampoo in her bag, over 3 ounces. He also put cologne in his bag, over 3 ounces, so.
And it was a good cologne too.
Yeah. God damn it, Kaden. Oh, that's kind of cool.
And they didn't take my toothpaste.
It's really freaking sunny.
It didn't fit in my other bag.
Jill's just over here.
This is my airport outfit.
Because it's
Do you guys need anything?
My airport outfit. We just got on the plane. It's so hot on here.
yeah, like
Like I might have pit stop.
oh, my armpits for sure smell so bad.
Yeah, and I forgot your deodorant on too.
So did Jill.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, but I'm in a big sweater. I'm in a big sweater.
And we're all the way in the back of the freaking.
It's fine. It's gotta be with a wing.
Look at what we get right when we get off the airplane. So we got off the plane,
Well, you already know we got
enjoying
on
this
that
nice
plane.
weather. We're about to get some drinks, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping for the house we're staying in. But yeah.
Look at the thong she's over there.
That's like where we sit the first time. This is so pretty. Oh my
Are we up in that hill?
Are you vlogging?
One time, my family, we walked all the way up this.
Hi, Breeze fans.
This
What's
is Maddie.
Danny, how do you feel?
I feel
Louder.
like goddess. I'm a goddess. You don't even know, man. I'm a goddess. God.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, okay, bye.
God.
Just let me know in case it dies.
This is our house. Wait, I have my bag. Oh.
Kaden, it's all gonna fall.
Nah, it's good, bro. I'll grab this one.
It's good, bro. What the
Oh, I
hell?
hope my glasses didn't get smashed.
This is our
I
house.
have more glasses.
Look at all we just drank. Alright, so I'm about to give y'all a tour real quick. There's a bathroom right here with a shower. Oh my gosh. And a toilet. And then there's a master right here. Walk up the stairs. Oh my gosh.
This is incredible.
I know, look at this freaking kitchen.
I can't even
Look at that view. Master. Oh my god, look at this bathroom. Just literally.
Oh my god, this is a master?
What?
I want to cry.
Oh my gosh, there's spiral stairs. No way. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Look at that. Fucking beautiful. That's all I can say. I'm trying to get this room though. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, that's the tour so far.
Kaden, I'm vlogging. What do you have to say?
Man, stick to the team, bro. There isn't 2 channels, there's only one.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, so I kind of sound like a man right now, but it's fine. I didn't film an outro for this video. I don't know why, I think I just forgot, but yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!